Tired of clicking through menus just to change font size in Gmail? Learn 2 keyboard shortcuts that save you 10 seconds per email. First, I'll show you how to open a compose window and type your message. Then, I'll reveal the exact keys to increase or decrease font size instantly. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage in your browser. Then, click the Compose button at the top left corner to open a new email. Now, click inside the message box to focus on it. Go ahead and type your message, then highlight all of it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus key together to increase the font size. And to decrease it, press Ctrl, Shift, and the minus key instead. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.